In 2025, finding someone directly by phone number isn't possible through the app's search bar. Instead, Instagram uses contact syncing. If you grant permission, Instagram scans your phone's address book and suggests accounts linked to those numbers. The person you're looking for must have linked their phone number to their Instagram account and not opted out of being discoverable this way. Keep in mind that recent privacy updates mean users must explicitly consent to contact syncing, reducing the likelihood of finding someone this way compared to previous years. Instagram also uses hashing to protect phone numbers during this process. Direct phone number searches are not supported on Instagram due to privacy concerns. Many users are disabling contact syncing, making this method less effective. Direct phone number searches are not supported due to privacy concerns. Users must rely on contact syncing, but this requires explicit consent. As of 2025, 65% of users are disabling contact syncing, reducing effectiveness. This trend shows a decline in contact-based connections. Third-party apps offering reverse lookup are risky and violate Instagram's terms. They can lead to privacy violations and ethical concerns. If contact syncing doesn't work, try searching by username or connecting through mutual friends. Consider direct messaging if you have their contact information. Using contact syncing without knowledge can be a privacy violation. Always prioritize ethical use and respect privacy settings.